Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create glyph text effect on our typography, our unique typographies. The glyph can also be used to apply, you use them to apply as special characters, formulas, and symbols. Without any further delay, let's get to work. I'll be showing you this in Corel Draw and in Photoshop. So today we'll be having a combo of our Corel Draw and Photoshop users. So here, first of all, in Corel Draw, okay, so this is our document. Just choose any page size you desire. Okay, I'll be importing my image, a free stock image I got from Splash. Okay, so you can use any image of your choice. So I'll be using this image. Okay, I'll seize this opportunity to show you a way to pronounce our channel name, Hevlendordesigns. So this is what we have. Just for you to take note, the glyph effect, when it comes to typographies, it's selective of, it doesn't apply on every font. There are special fonts. Okay, I'll show you a few of them. Put the number of them are paid. Okay, we have the Afterglow, Brunel, Cobalt Soft, Egyptian histography. So most of these are paid fonts. Okay, so I got this free one, Render. Okay, I got this free one online. Okay, so I'll be using some other font for designs. The Renowned Times New Roman will be fine. So I'll just make this an uppercase, and I have that over there. So this is a font. So what makes the glyph unique? So to call up the glyph, you can either do that from the text menu. You scroll down, that's the last command on this menu bar, in the text menu bar, or you go via Window Dockers. Okay, and you can look out for glyph. The shortcut to call that up is Ctrl plus F11, so your function key F11. Okay, so just click that. So this is the Docker, it comes up. If I press Ctrl plus function key F11, okay, that goes off. So this is what we have. Now you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to choose the font. Like I said, I got this font, a free version online. Render, so select the font. So you can scroll down here on this Docker, you see the different options we have for letters. So to make this unique, now I'll select the letter H, and I have here, so double click. See how that looks nice. I think I need to reduce this a little bit further. So I will apply this. You can apply this in whatever way you choose, but I will apply this just to show you how to pronounce our channel name in its syllable. It's a 3-syllable word, Hevlendor. So I'm going to apply something on the Earl later. Okay, Just double click and you have it there. And last but not the least, we do for the letter D. So just scroll and look for the letter D. Okay, here we have it. So double click. See how nice this look. So you cannot compare this now with the previous look. You can see how the glyph makes your typography to look very unique to you. It gives you a very unique typography. So I just scan this up and this is what we have. Can close the Docker. You can apply any further effect on your text to make it look unique. Okay, I think because this font is not very comfortable, you can see I'll just curve mine so you see the full look here. Okay, so this is it. I can let me just apply shadow. Apply shadow on this to make it look inner shadow. Let me use the outer one. Oh, before I do that, I can as well. I like this contour tool. Can just have this unique look. Let's try the rounded edge. Or and this is cool. Let's reduce this. I can break it apart, choose other colors from here. So this is fine, whatever you choose. Okay, so this is what we have. That's what we have, whatever you choose to do. So this is it for my Corel Draw users. If you have any question, drop it down on the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. So let's head over to Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Let me show you how you can achieve this in Photoshop. Okay, I'll just launch my Photoshop. I have it open already. So you create a new document. Alright, create a new document and you can choose any size of your choice. Let's use this 1920 pixel by 1080. Okay, we can create. So you can see we have this black artboard. Okay, you can as well choose to create that on normal Canva. Okay, let me change. You can choose to create a normal Canva. Here is ticketed artboard. So if I take this up so I don't confuse you. Okay, so this is what we have. Pick up your text tool and type the word Hevlendor. Hevlendor, and the next is designs. Okay, so you can just adjust this to suit you. Increase the font size. I have my panning on. to the vertical spacing, let's make this 100. Okay, this is what we have. Alright, so the same thing applies. You can choose the font. Like I said, this doesn't apply for every font, so I had this render I downloaded for this uniquely. So for Adobe Photoshop, it seems quite easy. So when you highlight any of the layer, you just have this drop down and you can choose. You have the options you can choose from. So this is our H, and for the L, so we have this, and the D, we have this for below. So you can increase the font size for the and can adjust this. So this is what we have, quite unique. You can get the same background, any background of your choice, just get it in here. Okay. So this is just it. Can take this below. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section. Apply this, can group. So with this, we are done. You can apply any effect of your choice on this to make it look further unique. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.